Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Face ID for hidden and recently deleted albums on your iPhone. So we want to open settings, and now let's scroll to the very bottom until you hit apps section. Now let's find from this list photos, and here you will find option Use Passcode, and please toggle this on. And from this moment, when you want to go to hidden or recently deleted albums, you'll have to verify with your passcode or with your Face ID. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.